ande twigura abantu mbatwara riberera iguru yebango ye kanisa lakini tata gotebanga bangeiteyo na moni twanyorete kurwa saba na inchi ase ng'encho yokorandi kwa botuko gocha kwa bachikanisa nkeigo especially area sakurunga sunika no twanyorete kwanyora ngo muntu garo muntu oyo mo lakini gabegere speaker gushigoro gochanda abantu bali bare basaronde tigari ande kwanyora ngo muntu gabegete from Monday to Monday so kwanyora nga maybe abana bakwende school na bintu binde mbiri konyarekana gusumundu utaito ndorwarete gusutagete kurara nenda chikwende gasiae kwanyora nyore disturbance so abantu bari bakarizi issue bagateba at least batakirwe genteke narira ba restrict na namba tuko bakora amarandi yo butwa kuri kuchikesha lakini akaratu debate genteke abantu abange batebanga asinge cyo Kisii nense yanzite nyasaye account yanzite nyasaye nende gusasima turarushe tax ite cyo affect abande bari batari kurandigo entu tugategerera manganaye mwanya abande bayirire kwa basiasa ase account ya busungu genteke ntubwati tax yenda abantu babere bakora meka ne tax ye nyangi kwenye yabere introduced ngondo bakora nyangi nera bwakana lakini nja atachiri tunse tuchite ko yete ko tukara stemile committee ya budget kurigera yegenteke tukanyoranga tuteta abana baito na roba nyoma sinyangi ende tubaini encourage asengo te population yekine so tax yena yaro tuchite gweta nabo igo asoko encourage kanisa cheito ntwaru seti plan approvals chiti kanisa chikwaga chwa second itu ya busungu so ndebwo ensi kuchikwaga che kanisa tari gwakana plan approvals igere free asense mu kanisa bombi ya mono sana tiganya sawa si
thank you that's correct to bonjuri ya Kisii county na ba MCA ba minto ba kwane tokora unecha ito ya budget iga mheshimiwa Nyororo umuswada nororo gusengana nero ya letire debate ose concerns kurwase abantu baitu be public inga Kisii county ya etiriri chiko liko rusie bango ase chikanisa mono chiri chiko kesha botuko chibwata mangana yo kurandia botuko ngane iteribo muna bashimiwa bakwanire onero munyakirogo budget mugabano Kisii county otuguteire ngane yare agoteba tahigo chikurusia bango ase chikanisa chiri chigo kora orandi bwabo botuko ina senge nchonga chikanisa kimuna tumaite twins echigo tokonyera abantu baito koba onchora emio yawe lotata okorobo saria baba abantu abaya iya tokonya no ne community yaba enkia ntogo twaro bosaria bonde bwensi igonjira teyo une county twensi balito oranga 95% etore Christians osaba Kristo to wanja tobetie richi kulire igo likorusie bango koruase abantu baito mono be kanisa lakini rende abantu ba twakora public participation abantu bale gotoha maoni anga kurusie banga sibale o maina abantu mbale set concerns osembala gete kiara chikanisa chiri chigo korandi botuko ono chiri chikubeke mesikie menene chikorandi bakabwakia ngo disturb chira abantu bande mono bali barabarwaire baraba gotu abana be school bali in the neighborhood atakire gotimoka endegera mambi bagaenderera ne chishuguri cyabo cyake arituko ngabune county nonye bange ya ruro aba MCA balega iga ngabali gienchera yoko ligia modalities osichinjera cyogo cap osikoregulate chikanisa chiri ase gati yaito chigo kora oborandi bw'abasobo so that imbago infringe into rights cy'abantu bande bali batatageti gotakera amarandi yabo igo nagokeire koreke iga step iga governor ito yairete asogotinenia evangelio hande konyobo maene ko tara bali chiko because ko tara beke signature yayo biyamon.
My name is Honorable Peter Utachi, MCA Munyata Ward, and also we've called you here to clarify a few issues about the finance bill which we just passed a few days ago. There's an issue that is being contested out here about church tax and also preachers along the streets. One, we'd like to say that we did public participation in all the sub-counties in Kisii, and this issue was raised in a sub-county called Suneka, and people were saying that a few churches in residential places normally make noise for them. You find that it's only one pastor or a few people, but they've put on loudspeakers at night, so disturbing the environs. So they said that a tax should be initiated so that at least to restrict these people who do this to disturb other people. There's also an issue of preachers along the street. So people also said most of them disturb them. So they wanted us to prohibit this thing. And you know, one of the reasons why taxes are there is they are used as a control measure. So it was initiated at Suneka. We've discussed this thing. We've had issues from pastors and members of the clergy. and most of them have said that the cash tax that we put is going to restrict their movements and also activities of worshiping God. As a county, Kisii County here, we also a county which respects God, and we also want to promote Christianity in this county. And we want to appeal to the members of the community and the members of the Kisii County that this tax is not going to be there. Already what we have is a finance bill. It has not been signed to be a finance act. So we've done the necessary amendments, and I want to assure the residents of Kisii County that the church tax, as they call it, will not be there in the finance act, which will be signed by His Excellency the Governor. So thank you very much. I also want to give my
Richmond Mayori, mwakilishi wa kata ya Bogeka ambayo inapatikana katika eneo bunge la Kitutu Chache Kusini, ambaye pia ni mwanakamati wa kamati ya bajeti. Kuna huu mswada wa bajeti ambayo ulikuwa wa fedha, mswada wa fedha ambayo tulikuwa tumejadili. Wakati hasa mswada kama hii ya fedha ambayo lazima ikuje tiliwe sahihi na gavana ndio iweze kutekelezwa, kuna maoni mbalimbali ambapo sisi tunafanya kwa ile kitu tunajulikana kwa lugha ya kimombo public participation. Tulizunguka kote kwenye county, lakini tulipofika katika eneo ya Suneka, mawazo ya wananchi katokea pale. Kwa hivyo nasi lazima tungechukulia maanani vile wananchi wenyewe wanahitaji. Kwa hivyo kuna changamoto hapa na pale, ama watu wengi wamesema na maona mapadri wakinena mengi. Ule mswada haujawekwa sahihi na gavana ndio iweze kutekelezwa. Kwa hivyo tungependa kusema ya kwamba hiyo ni porojo na ni maneno ambayo hatujui ameepuka kutoka wapi, kwa sababu kuna watu wengine saa zingine hapa wanapenda kucheza ile kitu tunasema ndume ya kawili. Kwa sababu hawana msimamo, wanasema hiki, kesho yao wanaruka pande hii nyingine. Kwa hivyo mimi ningependa kuhimiza wananchi hasa wa hii kaunti yetu ya Kisii, hakuna tozo ama hakuna ushuru itatozwa makanisa. Kwa sababu makanisa yako pale kuhubiri, na yanapohubiri ni watu waokoke, na watu kuokoka hatuwezi enda kufanya biashara paka kwenye kanisa. Tafadhali watu wetu wajue ya kwamba hiyo si ukweli, na wale ambao wanaendeza hiyo uvumi ya uongo waachane nayo. Hiyo sheria bado ijatiwa sahihi na gavana. Asante sana.
Wycliffe Future, also known as Mbande, the MCA for Ichuni Ward. I also want to also comment on on an issue that has been thrown out of proportion, and that is the issue of the church tax. And I want to confirm to the people of Kisii County that we don't have what that is called end church tax. A proposal that came was a proposal that because at times there are a lot of noise that emanates from churches, especially those churches that conduct crusades and preachings at night and occasions, and it was because we wanted them to be regulated. A proposal came forth that and the only way we could have regulated them is by maybe introducing some form of tax, because Kisii County, like any county any government, it must have some fiscal policies, and maybe those who don't know what are these fiscal policies, these are instruments of tax whereby the government raises money to finance its public spending, and one way which we could have regulated these church activities that maybe to some extent other people may feel that it's a nuisance, was by us introducing a tax, and it was just a proposal. I want to confirm that that proposal has not seen the light of the day. It has not been assented by His Excellency the Governor, and the Governor is out, and he has already confirmed that he will hold a meeting with all the clergy in Kisii County so that they can have a forum where they can iron all these issues, so that we can have a conducive environment for both those Christians and those who are not Christians, because as a government we must ensure that our people are safe, those who worship and those who don't worship, because we have what we call fundamental rights enshrined in the Constitution, and one of them is the freedom of worship, and want to ensure that those who have not subscribed to that can also have that right to enjoy an environment where they are not disturbed in any way. I also want to bring this into context because the Member of Parliament for South Mugrango has been heard in various forums whereby he's castigating and saying that His Excellency the Governor has already assented in that, and that he has thrown it out of proportion and saying that it's a church tax, and that is not the case. I want to remind His Excellency, our people, that His Excellency has got no interest in saying that he is punishing those Christians because he is also a Christian. Number two, I want to remind Mheshimiwa Osoro that he should concentrate on matters representing his people at the national level. Ours as MCAs, we have got that mandate. We have been given the power to represent our people at the county level. So matters county should be left to us, the honorable members for county assembly, and also he should concentrate for his mandate as a member of the National Assembly and leave us alone to transact the business of the county. Thank you.
What to add on that have emerged is an issue that people are complaining about wedding tax. We didn't have a wedding tax in the finance bill, and I want to put it clear, I'm the chairman. We also reduced we actually scrapped off the plans, the money that people pay for plans for churches. So whoever is going to construct a church in Kisii County will not be paying for plan approvals. It will be free. So in one way or the other, we're also encouraging people to construct churches and also worship because it's their right. So the issue of the church tax, as has been put clearly by my colleagues here, it is not there. So thank you very much.